Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 26th November 2020. Today is Wednesday and today we are cooking homemade veg Manchurian. Yeah. So these are the Manchurian balls I have prepared for frying, of course, and I've used fresh veggies straight from our vegetable market, local vegetable market. I've used the cabbage, so you'll not find cabbage on my plate right now. I've used cabbage and
all the winter veggies.
And yeah, lots of green veggies. And you can see my hot karai is filled with
Manchurian balls.
Manchurian balls.
Manchurian ball.
My first batch of Manchurian balls are almost ready. Let me take it out in this fabulous plate, ceramic plate.
Stoneware.
Looking nice, huh? Golden brown. So guys, I've also prepared one quick gravy for my veg Manchurian. You can see smelling really nice. Yeah. Guys, my Manchurian gravy is almost ready. So now it's time to take it out from the hot karai to my white platter. My Manchurian balls. I'll chop it up with shredded dhania. Merry Christmas! Wishing all the viewers of Evewin89 YouTube channel a very happy Christmas 2020. So especially for Christmas and especially for our lovely Santa, we have prepared tasty oats wali Manchurian. Yeah. So this is it guys. It's really tasty and I'm gonna test it with my mom. I'm gonna let my mom taste my tasty oats wali Manchurian.
I love it.
So guys, it's a success. So my mom loved it.
And so does Santa.